FedEx has to be the worst shipping company in the world, I swear. Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. Welcome to the channel, how y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Now because of FedEx, I ended up getting these a few days later than I should have gotten them, to be honest. But no doubt when it comes to this shoe right here, there is a lot of love and hate for it. Like, you either love this shoe or you hate it. There really isn't any in between. Let me just, here we have it right here. We're gonna open this together because this is a, come on, open. Couldn't wait to see these in here. Woo! Nah, these is fire. Hey, yo. We got the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple.
I'm the best thing since sliced bread. True indeed, beat murdering since I stopped with the Hooper dreams. Who the king with the pen, but no dope sold. I'm ice cream cold, the flow is in with one cold stone.
There is no quality control issues on this shoe at all. These right here are mad clean in my opinion. Grimace 4s, Goosebump 4s, Barney 4s, Slime 4s, whatever you want to call these. And I ain't gonna lie, Goosebump 4s was honestly the best name I heard of these so far. The entire upper of this shoe is made out of this really nice fuzzy suede. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this feels great. And that purple continues throughout the sock liner and insole of the shoe. Now, something that I find really weird is the fact that they almost never say all the colors that are on the shoe on the sizing label. For instance, the label reads Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro, Canyon Purple, Safety Orange. But when you look at the shoe, you can clearly see that there are way more colors on the shoe than just that purple and orange. That Safety Orange is only located on the Jumpman Flight on the tongue, behind the tongue, and the Jumpman on the insole, and once again, the Jumpman on the outsole. So when I brought the shoes outside, this green, it really isn't a slime green, it's more of a moss green. And I still got no problems with it. It's a really nice touch, and it just, yeah, it goes really well with the purple. But not only that, you do have a splash of white on the back midsole, and throughout the front half of the midsole there's black. On the wings it's black. The entire back tab and Jumpman is black, and of course they also do come with a pair of spare black laces if you didn't realize that already. And in my opinion, the color placement on this shoe is phenomenal. Like, I'm trying to figure out more words to use, but I can't lie, this shoe is just fire. But getting this shoe was not easy at all. For one, of course, everything was raffled off, so when it came to sneakers app, that was a shame of a release. First, the Black Canvas Force gets pushed back 15 minutes before the release, like what, sometime earlier this month or last month? I really can't remember anymore. This one, sneakers app wouldn't even let you buy them. It kept saying payment error, or not even payment error. It would say something about your address or the shoe was already sold out, and it wasn't making any sense because sizes were available. It just wouldn't let you buy the shoe. And so when I checked Twitter, people were saying try desktop because it was working for them. So I opened up my laptop, went to the sneakers app through there. This was the biggest men's size that was available by the time I got there, which unfortunately is a size 9.5 women's, which correlates to a size 8 men's. This is not my size. I'm a size 12, so I gotta search for a size 13.5 in women's. So that way, of course, I can do an on feet, do a how to style video, because these are just too tough. The Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple. Whew. If you enjoy this type of content, I want to see more, this is definitely the place for you. I do other sneaker reviews, how to style videos, how to lace videos, really just anything that's sneaker and clothing related content. It's all here on the channel. So if you enjoyed, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. Bro, what are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We're in that road to 100K. Comment down below your thoughts on the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple, or also let me know if you got a pair, and even let me know what your experience was like on release day. And yeah. Hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe. See you next time.
Hello, it's me, I'm the local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting blown. Locked in the cell in your mind, I've been here for some time, and it's crazy we don't get along. I see the way you be plotting this shit. It's all in your eyes when you pocket the grit. One thing that I know, you best running that